Net worth, $12 billion. Industry, automotive. Sports Key Ventures, owner of Flex and Gate, an auto parts company. Jacksonville Jaguars, NFL team. And Fulham FC, English football club. Highlights: Khan's wealth primarily stems from his success in the auto parts industry and ownership of major sports franchises. Net worth, $5 billion. Industry, textiles, banking, Power Key Ventures. Nishat Group, Muslim Commercial Bank, MCB, Nishat Mills. Muncher's diversified portfolio includes significant interests in textiles, banking, and power generation, contributing substantially to Pakistan's economy. Net worth, $4.6 billion. Industry, wholesale, retail, logistics. Key Ventures, founder of Bestway Group. United Bank Limited, UBL. Highlights: Pervez established a successful wholesale business in the UK and has made significant investments in Pakistan's banking sector. Net worth, $1.2 billion. Industry, hospitality, real estate. Key Ventures, Hashu Group, Pearl Continental Hotels. Hashwani's contributions to Pakistan's hospitality sector include ownership of prominent hotel chains. Net worth, $1.5 billion. Industry, real estate. Key Ventures, founder of Baria Town. Malik Riaz is known for developing one of the largest private real estate projects in Pakistan, significantly impacting the country's urban development. Net worth, $1.8 billion. Industry, agriculture, real estate, business holdings. Key Ventures, various agricultural estates, sugar mills. Zardari's wealth is derived from extensive agricultural holdings and business ventures across multiple sectors. Net worth, $1.4 billion. Industry, steel, sugar, real estate. Key Ventures, Ittifaq Group of companies. Various sugar mills. Sharif's fortune largely comes from the family's industrial businesses, particularly in the steel and sugar sectors. Net worth, $1 billion. Industry, real estate, textiles. Key Ventures, Shon Group. Shon's business interests include real estate development and textiles, with notable projects in Karachi. Net worth, $850 million. Industry, textiles, engineering, energy. Key Ventures, Kohinoor Maple Group, Saigol Group. Saigol is known for his work in the textile industry and has investments in engineering and energy sectors. Net worth, $800 million. Industry, banking, manufacturing, trading. Key Ventures, Habib Bank Limited, House of Habib. Habib's wealth is attributed to his family's extensive business holdings, especially in banking and manufacturing.